Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho Projects to Google Drive attachments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting Zoho Projects to Google Drive, first, log into your Zoho Projects account. Next, navigate to the project where you want to link Google Drive. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Files section. Once in the Files section, look for the option to add attachments. Click on that Add button and select Google Drive. A prompt will appear asking for Google Drive authorization. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Review the permissions requested by Zoho Projects. Click Allow to grant access. After authorization, return to the Files section in your Zoho Projects. You will now see an option to upload files directly from Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive option. A window will display your Google Drive files. Browse to find the document or file you wish to attach. Select the file and click Insert. The file will now be linked to your Zoho project. You can view and access the Google Drive attachment directly from Zoho Projects. To ensure everything is running smoothly, test the attachment by opening it from Zoho Projects. If you encounter any issues, check the permissions in your Google Drive settings. This integration allows you to manage your project documents seamlessly. You're now ready to use Google Drive attachments in your Zoho projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.